Lightner is amazing. The city of St. Augustine is amazing, and every amazing city has an amazing museum. So to me, this museum has great bones, and we have the opportunity to make it even better, which would be part of what we're going to do with the garden and the park area in the back. So the board and I have collectively been working on a plan that would beautify the back area and would really be focused on re-engaging both local residents as well as tourists alike. We've been working with a landscape architect firm here in St. Augustine that has great credentials as it relates to historical properties.
I'm Jeremy Marquis. I'm a landscape architect here in the nation's oldest city of St. Augustine. We're located on the same street as the Lightner Museum. We do a lot of work with historic properties. So we had this wonderful opportunity when the Board of Trustees reached out to us and said, would you love to create this garden in the area behind me? And how could you say no? It's amazing. So the garden space right now, it's light on garden and high on a forgotten space. And we're trying to reverse that. We're trying to make this have the activity and the life and the vitality that once had. When this was a Grand Hotel, this was actually where the recreation was. You had archery and tennis and all these wonderful activities, and we're returning a lot of that vitality to the space through greenscape, through the fountain, through sculpture, through color, and really making this an inviting space for the community. So the garden's really designed as a series of spaces that you enter. So you come in from both of the streets or from the adjacent parking lot into some really nice, inviting portals that once you enter, you're into this transformed space. And so we're going to have a wonderful event lawn in the sun that can be set up for a whole series of great celebratory events. The central area that surrounds the fountain itself, it's my favorite. It's going to have just a wonderful amount of texture and wonderful materials. It's going to be a piece of art by itself, really bringing in the statue of Faith that is named for Faith Liberio at the end of the main axis. And then under that beautiful oak tree that we have in the distance, we're going to be hanging lanterns and creating a shade garden in that area. And then on top of the terrace itself, you're going to have tables and chairs. It's about creating just multiple opportunities for people to come and to have lunch, to gather with friends, to just walk through and to interact with the Lightner Museum. This is about bringing the Lightner Museum out to the community and allowing them to interact with the institution.
My personal hope is that once people see what we've done here, they're going to want to go inside the museum because we have some equally exciting projects there. So I'm hoping this is just going to be a catalyst for visitors, local residents to come and enjoy and then make the next step of coming inside.
Otto Lightner, really, this was his gift to our community. And the Board of Trustees, Teresa Rosinski is the chair, and all the board members are really looking to take that legacy and to advance it for the next generation. And so that's really what this museum does overall. That's what the garden's going to do, is allow the art and the history and the culture that the Lightner Museum stands for and bring that into this wonderful, engaging exterior space.
This is one of these opportunities where for a certain amount of money, you can create a game changer. So to be able to execute what we've thought about is going to make this place completely different. And how could anyone pass that up?